Question number 7. The diagram shows part of the curve with equation y is equal to 12 over cube root of 2x plus 1. The point A on the curve has the coordinates 7 over 2 and 6. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve at A. Give your answer in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. Okay, if I draw a tangent like this one, and we need to find the equation of this tangent at A. So equation of the line can be calculated by using slope point form. Y minus y1 is equal to slope time x minus x1, where x1 and y1 is the point A is given. So we can say that we have the point, we need to find the slope. So slope m, which can be find out by using the curve equation. If we derivate the curve equation and plug the point where we need to find the slope, which is A, so we get the slope. So to find the slope, we need to find dy over dx. So derivative of the curve equation is 12, and over cube root 2x plus 1 can be written as 2x plus 1 whole power 1 by 3 with respect to dx. Further solving, we will have 12. 2x plus 1 whole power 1 over 3 can be written as 2x plus 1 to the power of negative 1 by 3. So we need to derivate this one. Further solving, we will have 12. Derivative of 2x plus 1 to the power of negative 1 over 3 is negative 1 over 3 times 2x plus 1 whole power negative 1 over 3 minus 1, and the derivative of the inner function, which is 2x plus 1. So we have the dy over dx is equals to the, this one will be 4, so negative 4 times 2x plus 1 whole power negative 1 over 3 minus 1 can be written as 3, and this one is negative 1 minus 3, and derivative of 2x plus 1 is 2. So further solving, we will have 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 times 2x plus 1 whole power negative 4 over 3. So we have find out the derivative of the curve. Now we plug the value of point A in this derivative equation to find the slope at point A. So slope at A is equal to derivative when point A, which is 7 over 2 and 6. 7 over 2 and 6 is equals to the negative 8 2x plus 1. So in place of x, we will plug x coordinate, which is 7 over 2. So 2 times x means 2 times 7 over 2 plus 1 whole power negative 4 over 3. So this one is cancel out, and we will have slope is equals to negative 8, and 7 plus 1 is 8 whole power negative 4 over 3, and this one is equals to negative 8, and 8 can be written as 2 to the power of cube and whole power negative 4 over 3. So this one will be cancelled out, and we will have negative 8 times 2 to the power of negative 4, and this one is equals to negative 8 over 2 to the power of 4, which is equals to the negative 8 over 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So this one is 16, and this one is equals to negative 1 over 2. So we have calculated the slope, which is negative 1 over 2, and we have the point, which is point A. So we can apply slope point form. So x1 and x2 is, x1 and y1 is, 7 over 2 and 6. So slope point form is y minus y1, which is 6, is equals to slope, which is negative 1 over 2 times x minus x1. So x minus x1, which is 7 over 2. Further solving, we will have y minus 6 is equals to negative x over 2 and positive 7 over 4. And this one is equals to y equals to 6 plus 7 over 4 minus x over 2. and y is equals to 31 over 4 minus x over 2. Y is equals to negative x over 2 plus 31 over 4. So in this case, slope is equals to negative 1 over 2 and the constant is 31 over 4. Part B, find the area of the region bounded by the curve and the line x is equal to 0, x is equal to 7 over 2 and y is equal to 2. This line is x is equal to 7 over 2. This line is x is equal to 0 and we have the line y is equal to 0. So this one is y is equal to 0. So we need to find the area bounded by the curve and these three lines. So we need to find this area. And we know that this is the area under the curve from origin to 7 by 2. So this one is the area under the curve from origin to x is equal to 7 by 2. We just need to integrate the given curve equation y from the origin, means x is equal to 0 to 7 by 2 with respect to dx. So we already have the y, which is 12 over cube root of 2x plus 1. So this one is integration from 0 to 7 by 2 and the y is 12 over cube root of 2x plus 1 with respect to dx. Okay, so first we integrate it. So integration from 0 to 7 by 2 and 12, and this one is written as 2x plus 1 to the whole power of negative 1 by 3 with respect to dx. So 12 integration of 2x plus 1 whole power negative 1 by 3 is equals to 2x plus 1 whole power negative 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by power negative 1 over 3 plus 1, and multiple of x is 2, so it will be divided, and limit from 0 to 7 by 2. Further solving, we will have 12 and this one is equals to 2x plus 1 whole power, which is negative 1 over 3 plus 1 is 2 over 3, and this one is also 2 over 3 and 1 over 2. So this one will be 6. This one is also equals to 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. 2x plus 1 whole power 2 by 3, limit from 0 to 7 by 2. Now apply the upper limit. So 9, apply the upper limit, which is 7 by 2. So 2 times 7 over 2 plus 1 whole power 2 by 3 minus, apply the lower limit, means 2 times 0 plus 1 whole power 2 by 3. Okay, so this one is equals to 9 and this one will be 8 whole power 2 by 3 minus, this one is 1 whole power 2 by 3. So this one is equals to 9 and 8 can be written as 2 to the power of cube whole power 2 by 3 in brackets minus 1. So this one will be cancelled out and we will have 9 and 2 square is 4 minus 1. So we will have 9 times 3. So area under the curve is 27, which is unit square can be seen. So this is the required area.